Which is the most widely used tool by data analysts across the world? Tableau? SAS? R? No. The correct answer is Excel. This is because Excel is an easy-to-use tool that can store, visualize, and manipulate the data. And while the internet is filled with online tutorials that teach Excel in bits and pieces, there are no all-round courses that teach how to unleash the power of Excel through application-based learning. Hence, we have created SkilloVilla's Excel course, which will help you build a solid foundation of Excel from scratch. SkilloVilla's Excel Beginner to Advanced course will hand-hold you through all the necessary tricks and techniques required by a data analyst through examples of day-to-day industry problems. SkilloVilla does that using a multi-format approach through videos, reading materials, quizzes, and projects. But one of the major highlights of the course is the live classes, which are conducted by industry experts. And our experts are experts.
Hi, I am Krishna Chaitanya Rajapudi and I am the lead data scientist at Discover Financial Services.
I am working as a data scientist at Adobe.
Walmart Labs,
Microsoft,
McKinsey & Company,
Citibank,
Swiggy,
Myntra,
TransferWise.
And by the end of this course, you'll have an industry-wide recognized certificate and would have become a master at using Excel. SkilloVilla is your true companion from learning to earning. SkilloVilla. Visit our website and enroll today.